Ano pe Asem Kesee aye kan ho asem wa onim dada ade a ato o man Ghana ya to Asem Kesee isan se enuro ho nsem asem na ye kan isan se obekwa ya sabia Dr. Behel na wobekọ na unya dronto na isan se Ghana beebi a yedi enuro ene ayasa ho nkro ne banyina yedi kogo Central Medical Stores ye wotema se na ya akire mu no ye kra enuro edufia ma no ne ba ho ne yedi kogo asani achiche edi amama antama hodo ya aka no ekoba ne sen na nra ejato mu a efia no pa no nkron ebesi anaju dasuom na odumje adwuma fire service for oguso ebo momoden wo mo antimi anso ano na gapoha ye friends Ghana Ports and Harbours Authority Tema branch wo mo so di wo mo fidie bae Ghana Navy di wo mo de bae na ebesi sabre na eniema aye nyanyenyenyenyen aye chese Ghana ya hwe ade kese pa se bosume sani ampanifo chire mu no bosume ntamsi yantimi en replace sa na ma no de a ene ayasabia nyina no wo mo ato sesa atorencham kese mu pa nti ena no pay yebisa say what's the updates, what's the latest was sa ensem no emu na ye wonfoni kakra na enra course wo ho no yebeyi akere ye wi a ampanifo a wodum gya no Ghana National Fire Service wo mo kasama afọ ora Prince Billy Anaglate wa homa no so ye baby san say what's the latest and no pay if you nra sa adwuma odumje adwuma no for no ekoyo ye wi a na afi ye ne mpanifo aka Ghana House Service for mpanifo so edi ho nkomo ora Prince Billy Anaglate wo na akasama ne ma odumje adwuma na no pay ye mo ache e de ba Adom TV.
Yeah, good morning.
Ahwode won ho kakra de.
Yeah, I'm okay.
Ya de nyame ase mpa o de otwi ni nkoyi ti brofa na beka Anopa yemisa enra atorencham kese to Ghana brofu mu what's the latest and the update you see more was Asem.
Oh, actually the fire is not totally extinguished. We are still on the fire ground and we are trying to see if we will be able to totally extinguish the fire. What we have now, it is not anything for anybody to be too much concerned of. It is not threatening any property. As much as we are on the ground, these type of fires are behaving the very way that they are behaving because of the debris. That most of the debris are even covering the burning substance. So we will ensure that this money will totally extinguish.
Wow. Now, Mr. Naglate, yeah, minim se mo na mo ye adwuma nti eja bia ne kwan amofa so a modum no yenim se medical stores wo no broni be say there are a lot of inflammable materials and am nro ni ade a mo de afra nti eno ka ho bi nti na eja no acha muntimi num no na.
Yeah, you agree with me like you stated. This is a medical store where they have a lot of chemicals and with other products. So the combination of all this is like we are dealing with various type of fires. We have classes of fires, and then when you have about 2 or 3 classes of fires, you need to be tactical. It is not any other single fire that you can easily just get in and extinguish. But we are on top of the situation.
There are about 3 or 4 classes, and then in our Kambum or Central Medical Stores warden.
Hello.
About say in Tisania, okay, let's say about 2, 3 or 4 classes of fires, and our Kambum as to see a cost or meboa.
Exactly, you are right. We are talking about hydrocarbon fires, which is Class B fires, and we are talking about Class A fire, that is a solid material fires, and various other fires that are come together. So that is exactly what we are tackling.
Yatimia salvage bibi kakra wo eniema num.
Hello?
Yatimia retrieving niama kakra, were we able to salvage some?
Yeah, exactly. Yesterday, actually, we got the first thing we did is to ensure that some of the products are evacuated from some of the warehouses. So it is not everything that has gone down totally in this. And there are certain parts of the warehouses that have also been protected. So the situation, though portions of it are destroyed, but it's not everything that has gone down in this one.
Essentially, Mumuni Ghana House for the common, this building and this structure, was it insured?
Well, that one is only the very people that use the building that will be able to know if it is insured. We will not be able to answer that question.
I see. Eti anope mo sama ko hobiem na yebeda se ansa na abeko no.
I see you said yeah where
that still on the ground.
Preliminary no. Yes, final question to you, Mr. Naglati. Preliminary, I think say it is early days yet, but do you suspect any foul play arson in any way?
Well, in fire investigation, we don't deal with suspicion. But then every fire scene is taken to be a crime scene, and that is why every little thing is taken seriously. We investigate everything, including the action that you are talking of. But it is not on suspicion, but it is the normal procedure. You need to critically investigate all other areas until you are able to determine what exactly is the purpose.
Right. Mr. Naglati, thank you very much for speaking to us, Enanope or Adom TV. Well, very strange. Ija from 9 a.m. yesterday, ABC Nanope or Sijanu Guswaya Eshe. Now, Nichire mo kind of brofun na say, Ija bia ne kwa mufaso mudum no. Na wasi Ija ya Eshe, ewo se Montinho se Wofio se baby biano. Womu mu nchiche mu ahodo be se mienu miensan ko 9. Class 1, class 2, class 3, class 4, and a class A, class B, C, and D. Now, when you course of medical stores, now, be say classes be say me and 9 na kambum. And now, near my nuno, say ya frafran and chemicals and frafran intino. About 4 classes na kambum na ma ejane share. But we say until near man yet me. Actually, near man kakra free one sana. Ejane to na ni na no so. Kodu omutimi yi near man kakra. Nti nyese the ashini nyina. You moving on to Tony Goodman on the Kasadema Ministry of Health. Minia Tony Goodman. Tony anope me mwache.
Me just so many.
Ahode ho.
Nyame na dum.
Ye de nyame ase. Ye ne fire service for di nkomo na anope sisia. O kire se ija nra wiame ni udi nkomo radio so. Na anope still ija no edaso a she kakra ewo Central Medical Store so far ministry mo position or asemu epa ne sen
Me da say me cheti fu no pe ene hwefo nia esi enra no na nya sem de but enyesi nti ministry no nia ya ye say ye de be the friend stop gap measure no ye indruno yakra bi anka wose ba banyamencha de enu ambedu asana weisi inti at the end of the day no ye pe bibia ye be AC temporary warehouse and as medical store bi na ye de nyama na kum na ye ne ye partners ene aban kasa se ne be ya nia asheno minime and ebitimi enye bi ashim hospitals also mawe embu ya be magana for nsunsu hospitals ebenya indru within 2 to 3 months the ombenya indru ewo regional medical stores indru ho a eno beboa Ebola niama enso ehye no eno so yeah, make sure say enime and ebi baba and also who serve purpose na the buy initially. Until we na I decision ra management minister some management buy take care and no na the be juma as quickly as possible.
Yeah, very sorry. I mean, you said Obroni say it's so early days, but more estimate here a cabe do say near marshal no. Was a quantum by way of value? You bet me the atoso.
Nyamana shino. Say you timi ayesa. It was very difficult. Nyamencha de you timi SSR larger any computer ni sa nyama yede store information say me enra no mutimi eyi no initially le fi ho. nti afina na no pano now ankomo stock because na me mani bi aba e bi nso efi makwa ankomo take stock ase ahen na aka monetary value ahen any shania mano omo ntimi anye nti no minister na share say by 9 o'clock no or some bomodiana no this information e because I know that between so na yakopenia money be abeshin ntini dia mene okase die sa value ni nyambaya and by 9 o'clock you be share management you be share information the bana.
I see. Already boss minister Dr. Kwaku Agyeman Mensah say or suspect say obi ne kutwa ejato ade no brofo your friend Asem reason ben na mugina so they cancer.
Oh, no, dear. Share say ana information na ko. Senior the kind we do and sema na nkofoka. Na say a jana share the fiba ye no. Na o di ubebo utim na waka say we dey usu say the business but o cancer we no say no dey no way back. You train fire service the report beba.
No, I'm prejudice investigations, no.
Not in any way, because initially no cancer or train fire service, but yes, you need your own because not any major point and now anchor last week one anchor here Central America store. And nyama bi eba ye Ebola sensenia into me uncle. Nti odu hono se na ha me ka sanka me ba no na adc
na last week na ka okọ no ko akwaye den
pushia Central Medical Store management amo be presentation bi emano nia the state of Central Medical Store no any nia ehia se ye in ya to at least give that place some kind of facelift. Don't be a presentation. And okay, so time and your time na call any Ebola meeting and was set or no alcohol, not a kosher because you or buy you walk around the country. But Muslim Ebola take attention to on your university. I want a plan so and can buy and at the AC.
Ada sikadie bi akoso ho ana
o sikadie dia menya sure sikadie bi akoso menya sure maintenance say as sikadie bi akoso it will be very baby
because Tony adwuma mini umienu ana ne ye na zeo kasama Ministry of Health say minister ka say hana kame ba ha last week you ena afeja tomu yo na o suspect so obi na share ho no add 1 2 3 together eche say na bibi koso ho opani ni kwa kohwe ena afe ya kwhye ne se na be ya records na be ya valid conclusion
kaba opeso tutu momoni se menuma
mi tutu momoni ko bi kra ni ho Tony
o shesa center na kaba bibia nyama ekoso ho before ama no ntina e set team na wo ho na management team headed by a private person intino bibia na in the past nyama akoso but management show say it was say restructure hono into restructuring man na igusu a see no yeah
I see we'll hold it there we'll put the brakes there but as same way Tony we'll probe it further and pay better say only I don't hear you komo ye papa Tony Goodman kasama for edema o say o ade
Mama anwo kwa
say tire na nyen so kwa
papa adwene kwa na gumo
thank you also na say me food
adwene kwa na gumo wate ana for that say I'm Roberts
But it is still
Tiesim. Na mama di na machine
some way bi kaka.
We be some way bi eno we na boy ko boy.
But you be pro bi.
No ano no. Asem no ano waka no. Say bibi de na ekoso because we de ba ko mienu miensa ebomu a. Say ministers na nne ya nka me bai ade we de am na am say da obi na atu mu a na je say bibi akoso bibi koso ho
no they should give full disclosure
obi dey send me say 50 billion JB na am say omo hwehwe mu na me say
full disclosure full disclosure transparency what minister no fa information no prior to this incident often na meto about na anyway say we phone lines quickly bon numbers no
030211701702703703 ya bon number no to be fresh wadwen wonu a eja ye hye ya ene ye susu ya dwene bu ye ya dwene ye ntanta ye ni minister nyina ya dwene ye bebre se bibi na ebi ye sie enti na akoba ne sa no so dwene ho sen 2 p.m. ewo Asante Mampo also wo assembly my wo Mampo Zongo East enunti mondom no na in fact this metro mass saga there is becoming please president back up ewo sa asem no 2 p.m. there odi aba no afi ofufro there wo house na ya enkoye o no chalk to teach no money in the pocket so Fifi should keep quiet and work is in change has nothing to do with governance he has performed poorly in agric ministry DH ya brew Ghana will drop the yam in 2016. Nedi awadi abanu no ne ya
media. Ya so Lukman anopay mo watching.
Kwajo.
Lukman.
Asare ba fo champion kaba.
O dam tie nko.
Akra me mama chi o.
Ya jo so.
Wa na so me ni.
Ye damase ene di mapa mo boma Ghana man nyina nyankopon hira mo. Na ya me so me mo wache.
Ya jo.
Na ma me fanchi ayi mu ode mfa mana na ode kwa me nkatia wonne ye manso akropon ehene
chia kuma wu ma hene mame
kuma hene
chia kuma wu ma hene mam
nya go so ma hene
kuma wu chia
kuma wu ma hene kwa de only o hwe okra wono
wo so ma hene de na me hunu wai
kuma wu ma
bere masafo
original
that's na go so ma hene mi amigi only ye go so ma hene na maka jo se uko babi ya wudi hine na babi ya wudi na asem na moti boho
gwaso
uko ne kitchen
enra mi hunu TV so
agwaso ma hine
onu na ya kokko no me ba go ya kokko me bo a
wonu a watwa
enra mi hunu Adom TV o na portofi e Thanksgiving one cry enra mi hunu so what timu na oh na no ti say
ai Oro ye che o hine no wo so ametan ai o hine obranti e fa no go so ba hine nya sem kitwa nana yai no kwasem yi o hwe enyema ya jahihia asem a abaya wei ena se nko mpanyi be ka se wei no suspect ase enye yemire bi o mpanyi be ka ebra na jahihia no o mpanyi be ka se sajana na jahihia no eye ase no wo be ka sa abroforo bofu kakraka wei ase no dia to we ena so nko be ka say ase no e san say he ade minister na mu aba be ka say ahanya ha na nka be bai ye jaba betomi sa akromfo no bi tim kokọ adwuma bi afie mienu fie miensa ne wonya ne ho se tam ubeko baby ne wasifie kakraka masa sadio ono nkofo bi akọ bokro no akọ edwum ho ituru mo aboa pa na makọ twaja to akọ
na post be chi wo kumase
big man and money
na be tia love ya wo Monday's boutique here wo da kuma o se ho efe yi fa big ben
air condition specialist 02791010 rural collins in team ne Dr. Onkin Kansu and a mama Esther and a wine asa
Sinicheni Monica.
Sinicheni
Monica.
Of fatality agent for Techima. The machine is literally to know, indeed. Or to teach me what Techima, Machiano Fata. Kaba, Jana, in a pay my, you could be my swat, near Quaco, who should be well. Almost you have to 2 monema, a young near me being Tino, near your minus, who should Gama. Say who ye Juma, never minister cried to Yaka say, now what PM go about other checking him. This is get me up to Padia. Never a more remote cover. A more them. In this art, the minister to me be 8 times what they call up here. checking beer, Minister on Fasani and money na Emra to Gamagana for you. Then Saturday the Tujani India and pay for winning. I say no. It's me myself. Ghana Japadia, but me and that every Japan. I'm a Ghana who actor. They say the party are ready to in way in the war. You better have survival. So the best let Ghana and pay for most Ghana and you man who say, a woman who credit you and new money. The credit you money ma. You better check you out. Uncle Chejan to be Mama Bibia. Yeah,
that's it.
Oh, matter.
Yeah, that's it.
Ima Ewazim or say a happy belated birthday in Fankoma, Reverend Father Paul Adom. Afe Abrantie be a one for the Diamba or send a good morning. Please ask Kaba for me. Is he a lawyer na? Yedana Sepa. I'm Robertson Kwa. God bless you all for your good work. Lady or Diabano.
Yanko Elemble. Baya, and I'm watching.
Yeah, good morning, Kaba. Michelle Nenanaya.
Yo, Yanko.
Kaba Nano Pedia, Wabo Jimapa. Me face say, what me have to look all reasonable that as a judge on the stage say this thing happened and then answer and say because we can look I will share good I will interview now.
Tony Goodman.
With all reasonable that say. People say it's about time Ghana you're changing an attitude. When you want to build this country, so what for you be now say if the minister is coming to investigate something, you don't need to go and tell Papa to a Jadi Hashem. You're very bad and very appalling. Say Ghana, we should live to that state. Jamaican is a more now assurance on what Yama said there is enough medical. You know, it's a very good Ghana which me up to me up when it comes to a torrential in that regard, which you have a medium as a meeting. We dream with maintaining as an assembly man for Teleco Caso and election. Electoral area for you.
Yeah, that's it. Romeo, my final one now for the young call. Nana Branty, I'm watching.
Major so
Blues Camp when she any tiama time or so.
Yeah, that's a final Jumapa mobile. Mamin Chamia, Madame Mr. Kunzo, Elvia, or Mr. Sma, Nana, Mamin Chow, SS Wabu, Assemblyman, Mamin Chow knows because oh, chat.
Oh, but you now time or soon.
Oh, Mamin Channel, go boy, Mapa, Eddie Boy Health Insurance. Mamin Channel. Ayan, say normal air costo. Aya Ghana, Nuro, Apple Dobby be a walk, any Binu Kululu or more yet, or Ghana Hano. Master, or my way, your mom would decide to be a Bobeka move. Ghana, Japadia. Uye bibise ya wow over the omunkosun ye that's it.
Romeo Winnie Boston and I agree to you and Kaba. Why does Fifi Kwete always refuse to accept the truth? We have been in difficult times due to mismanagement by government, and yet he is descending on the true truth speaker of Ghana, of God. May God forgive him as we all go through the year of perfection. Nedia Odiaban Lawson and good morning Kaba. The Bible says, touch not my anointed, don't do him no harm. Those who insult Reverend Osubempa should render an unqualified apology. Aturu, Pepe, Ewuho, no, Diaba. And I tell Kaba, the two of you look too good. I like you. And the interview was in the hello, precious. It was shalom to Kaba. Good morning. And something is wrong somewhere about this fire. The authorities must investigate the issue for saying the beginning in the Dubai. Felix Ewo Kumase Osanana and other Ghanaians, do you know now believe Pastor Osubempa prophetic issues on the 31st night? Reverend Osubempa prophesied that there will be more fire outbreak. It has started. Nedia also Ede Abba Enono. We Ede Free Takwa of the Rebel. Now you look good. Like good morning. Greetings to DSP Kodia of RDF Takrade and his mom Rose Ohenewa of Agogo Asante Achim. Kofi Nedifi Bechem Police Station Edebaye. Akanipa Mino. So good morning to you and Kaba. My MP Honorable Kwesi Ameya Treme. I encourage the minister to still go there to see what she wants to do. He wants to do from Kwabena Mensa, aspiring Assemblyman Shunyane Kwabe. Good morning, and I please send greetings to all students of Somenya Presby JHS. Francis Edifi Somenya Edebaye.
All right, Asem Kesee Edenasia Shronko ya Edema
Danfujai herbal products na Danfujai bitters and Danfujai mixture and Odia Begudra so constipation and asa paralysis and antipaye and menstrual pains ne have hypertension sexual weakness ya bitters mixture no de infection ye wo be memu and now be mu we see the ebe born na boache wo kan shi drugland kings work wo kan shi drugland calling na crediments come say amen say water crowd you need have some more wo bogoso lorry station o was bedofie new lorry station ho wo takwa smart heba wo boss mosaic pharmacy green life pharmacy wo sunyani Dr. Asem number 020-787-2155 020-787-2155
omo na so ya sinema ere Asem Kesee ere bro ye sorry na Adam Eje Kofi Eje o si woni ni nipa odin kan ba wiase na ye de aukensi de ato so yi wi pensim beba ne de afisem ato so wo adwenkyira fabre nana@brefoatmanjonline.com and akaba@manjonline.com aukensi and anabraso